Breakfast with Bob.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. Hope you all had a great week. Well, as you know, every Friday, Breakfast with Bob comes out with product ideas to help promote your company's brand to your customers and to your prospects, and maybe some ideas for your employees as well. And I try to do that in a casual, lighthearted, and hopefully sometimes funny way. It's Casual Friday, right? I want to take it down just a little bit today, and I want to talk to you about Basecamp. Basecamp offers some great products like t-shirts, drinkware, backpacks, tools, and more. But what really makes Basecamp great is that it helps a place called Warrior Spirit Retreat. It was founded by this guy, Dan Nevins, who in 2004 suffered a severe injury in Iraq from an IED attack. Dan lost both of his legs below his knees, and he continues to live with a traumatic brain injury to this day. Well, through the help of Wounded Warriors Project, Dan was able to regain some of that positive outlook, that can-do spirit. And now he wants to do that for other warriors as well. So he created Warrior Spirit Retreat, a place for warriors and their families to go to heal, to gain back that positive outlook, to regain that can-do spirit. You need to check it out. It's at warriorspiritretreat.org. Now, as I mentioned, Basecamp, a portion of the profits goes to help this great place. If you want to know more about Basecamp products, give me a call. I'll be happy to talk to you about them. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your service, Dan, and have a great weekend.